Where is it? Is it in your room? You want to show me? Okay, let's go see. Okay, let's go in your room. You show me what you're talking about, okay? Turn on the light. Okay, where is it? What? What is it? You can sit in there if you want to. Is that what you're asking, Mommy, if you could sit in there? Do you like to sit in there? Do you like to sit in there? Really? Well, I think so. Okay. All done in there? All done. Say bye-bye.
Bye.